Okay, it's on. Jump in a puddle.
Huh?
Go jump in a puddle.
Oh, you're recording? Oh, you're gonna do. You're gonna do. Out the way. Feels nasty. Now, milkshake brings on our voice to the yard.
Record, I want to be in a video.
Yo. Rainbow strawberry. Jump, 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 jump. Crystal is contento and happy. I can make it. I can make it. Go, Kate. Go, Kate. Go. Damn it. We're crazy. All my life, I pray for the rain like this. And now I think you guys, I got like a throat in my frog.
I have a throat in my frog.
MySpace, bitches. This is the story of a girl who cried and bridge out the whole world. Tell why she looks so sad in photographs. My pants are so heavy and see-through, it's not even funny. Woo! Thank you, thank you. I'm presenting. I brought the egg!